Hello everyone, welcome back on investing.retrading.eu, and we are here to understand better how to use scalping setup, my scalping setup. As usual, I remember you the risk disclaimer where trading is here only for didactical purpose. Now, we will use XM broker MT4 to trade in scalping, but you can choose other of the brokers, and you'll be able to trade with that. If you open the same broker of me, you can contact me at info at supporto at wetrading.eu or info at wetrading.eu, and I will give you free indicator to trade. Now, what happening now on US on Nasdaq, US 100 or gold? Prices are fall, and now it's searching for a support. And now we will understand how to trade with my indicators. As you can see, I use M1, M15 and M15 charts. For now, we can use this setup with oscillator indicator that help me to see the support and resistance level. For example, in this exceed of the market, in this time we have the first resistance of uptrend, and on M15 we see here a support on this low of the market, so this is the support. On gold we have the similar setup where we can set a support here, okay, and a resistance here in this level, so we have here a resistance. So prices for now can play in this area, and we will set up the scalping in this area. For now, prices are rebound from the top, from the low, and maybe can check again the resistance, okay, but the main trend for now is bearish, so I don't want to scalp in long mode, but I'd like to scalp in short mode, so I will in the same trend of the markets. Okay, this is the main setup that I will search in this market. This is also a support here, or from M15, and the gold to have a strong setup here. Okay, for now, when prices will top and when I will sell Nasdaq or gold. Okay, for this answer we need to see this number. This number is my real-time volatility indicator, and when this value is more than 2, plus 2, we are near to the top of markets. Okay, so in this top we can sell, or when prices like in the gold are near less 2, this is a good long opportunity. Okay, so we need to wait the setup to enter and start to scalp the trade. You understand? It's very simple, it's not difficult. Now, uh, as you can see, prices are going up on M1, but the prices of or number of my indicator is negative on M15, with the comment short. This means that the main trend is short on M15 but long on M1. So if I want to trade better, I need to follow the major time frame when prices are on the top on the lower time frame. It's a simple way to trade in the correct direction. Okay. Now we will wait for a top, and we will start to sell the Nasdaq. Okay, as you can see, prices are near +2, and we need to wait a better price. And I remember you that this number move in the time, and it depends by volatility. So in certain moment it will move very slow, and in other moment it will move very fast. It's depend of the market, about the market setup. Okay. For example, on a gold, I see prices are on the top and in a blank area on tick distribution, and now maybe can check to stay again in short. So I will start to sell gold here, okay, with a stop in this previous area in long, and a take profit in the lower area near the support. I think that the short position on M15 maybe can stay in the short mode. In the meantime, I will wait Nasdaq on the top figure to have a better entry. I hope to see this setup very soon, because I think that it will check again this lower area. But the meantime, maybe we are in the center, or in the center area from resistance and from support. So we need to sell here or buy here. In the meantime, in the middle time, we can't do something. Okay, this is my first positions on gold. We have a stop loss. It's important to stay with the stop, okay? And now we will see. Okay, we are near the 2. We can start here to sell the first lot, okay? And the first take profit on the near swing, stop loss on the previous resistance, and we will wait or take or stop. Okay, gold in stop loss, but we need to stay again in sell, because this area is a very resistance area, and I want to stay here with short position, and the Nasdaq is very slow. Because why I want to sell here? Because this is the book of gold futures, and as you can see here, we have a red area. This is a resistance area, and we need to have a very strong force to stay up this area. Okay, so it's important to try to stay in sell here. It's very useful for us trader, to have also the book area. This is a volume chart area where you can see also here that red accumulations in this rebound. So also if prices go up but we are in a red area, this is an uptrend, but uh, big traders are selling here. Okay, so in a rebound, go to sell, and we need to stay in the same direction. It's not a problem to have one or two stop loss. The big deal will be the big trade that we will cover of the stop and will make money for us. Okay, we can think to to trade every trade in profit, but we can think to trade at the end of the day with a profit. This is the logic, this is the secret of traders. After some minutes, positions on gold are freezy, and on Nasdaq are in stop loss. So this morning is not a good morning for now, but we will wait again on plus 2 on Nasdaq and +2 on gold, and we need to wait. Oh, we have the perfect way, but we have lost the entry. Wow, that was perfect. As you can see, stop loss search us, but the view was perfect. Okay, no problem, no problem. I will try again the next signals. And on gold, we need to wait. Okay, we have a little profit on gold that can cover one loss today, two loss. Okay, we can cover one loss with this profit, and we need to cover other losses. So stop is in break even, but I want to take this profit now, and I want to try again to stay in sell on Nasdaq. Okay, to check this little bit new low, and now we see something else. Okay, and the stop loss, we need the stop loss very large here, but we can't do in a different way. On the gold, we need to stay again long and to cover another short. So this is the strategy, and we will follow our strategy because this is the only way to take money. Okay, in the meantime, I have sold again the Nasdaq, and now see here the gold. The gold that go to under the previous support, but value at less two. Here I want to try to buy here. I want to do this test, and I think a little bit scalp over again the previous swing. In the meantime, I remain in sell on Nasdaq. Okay, we are near the end of this video. Uh, the short on Nasdaq um, give us two profits. So the today we are at zero loss, zero profit, but two positions opened now that still can give us profit. I will attend here some other minutes and I will update you. Okay, after some minutes I come back to the PC and the last positions go in profit. So the system work better. Good, it's perfect. If you are interested, you know that you can contact me or visit the website wetrading.eu. At soon.